Welcome to qnawire.
So we have multiple ways of expressing concentration, one of which is molarity, which is moles of my solute over the volume of my solution. In other words, how many moles of solute do I have in 1 liter of solution? The other one is molality. And molality is basically the moles of my solute over the mass of my solvent. In other words, how many moles of my solute in 1 kilogram of the solvent. Now let's think about both. So here in both, in the numerator, I have moles of solute. All right? And so it depends on what changes. Does the volume change or the mass of the solvent change? We know that the mass is a conserved quantity, or the amount of my substance is a conserved quantity. And so if there's no mass that's added or removed, the mass is kept constant. So mass is constant. Meanwhile, in a solution, let's say after a particular temperature change threshold, let's say we increase the temperature, this might result in a change in density. And let's see here to be more specific, write this as delta. And this might result in a change of the volume of my solvent. And the change in the volume of my solvent will, in this case, or the volume of my solution, change. In this case, it will change the molarity. And so while molality is fixed, molarity changes.